For Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao's trip to China next week, the Telangana government is planning to spend over 2 crores as it has booked a luxury jet. A 50-seater Bombardier aircraft has been hired for this visit to China and other countries between the 8th and 16th of September with about a dozen people. He will be attending the World Economic Forum meeting in Dalian. The executive jet, of course, is known for its luxurious interiors and an entertainment center, LCD screens and customized seats. The extravagance, of course, is being seized by rival parties in Telangana. The BJP is saying that it is terrible that this kind of an expenditure is being incurred at a time when the state is battling drought. Uma Sudhir now joins us for more on that story. Uma, sharp criticism for the kind of expense that is being incurred for this trip.
Yes, indeed, Shweta. The Chief Minister is expected to be accompanied by his IT Minister, who also happens to be his son, K.T. Rama Rao, the Industries Minister, Juppalli Krishna Rao, and also some prominent industrialists from the state. As you mentioned, yes, this is supposed to be a business executive jet, the most luxurious of its kind available in the country, we are told. And if the Chief Minister had in fact chosen to fly by commercial flight, that would probably cost the entire cost of the trip for the travel itself would be hardly a fraction, hardly 10% of the cost that is now being incurred through this 2 crore rupees that has been issued as a check, in fact, to the Telangana Aviation Corporation as assistance to the public corporation. So the criticism that's coming in is that why couldn't the Chief Minister have gone by a commercial flight? What is the necessity to hire a private executive jet for a trip like this? Of course, he's going to be away from the 8th to the 16th. The conference that you mentioned, WEF conference, is between the 9th and the 11th. This, of course, also comes at a time when we are talking about a state that's facing 28% deficit in rainfall, and we are hearing of farmer suicide deaths virtually every day. Just in fact, yesterday the Agriculture Minister gave out an official statistic of 409 farmer suicide deaths, which means one every day since the Telangana government and new state has been formed. What is the government doing in terms of addressing that distress? Has helped really reach those farmers? That is really a big question that people are asking, that the opposition parties are asking. And also, Shweta, in fact, the inevitable comparison perhaps also comes with the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister, who also went on a trip to China and took commercial flights. Back to you, Shweta.